Hello, parents. ParentSquare was designed with you in mind, a simple platform to keep track of all you need to know regarding your child's school community. Our ParentSquare app makes it easy to view all timely notifications which alert you to important school-wide classroom and school group news and events. You are only notified about items that relate to your child or children. Parents can view all school events, see shared photos or files, sign up to help with your child's jogathon, or pay for a school play ticket. Let's get started. There are 3 easy steps. The first is to download the iPhone or Android mobile ParentSquare app. The second step is to enter your email or cell phone number that is registered with your school. You can also sign in with a Google account. You will then enter your password and click Sign In. If you forget your password, you can always click Forgot Password to get a reset. And finally, step number 3, you will start receiving all relevant school information for your child. Here on your home screen, you can scroll down to view all the posts that have been sent. If you click on the title of any post, you can view the entire message and see any requests. This post has a calendar event. You can click Add to my device's calendar to put it on your calendar. If you scroll down, you can see the full message. In the bottom right, you can click Add Comment. Here you can ask a follow-up question or show your appreciation. Add your comment and click Submit. Here you can see your comment. The person that posted the message can reply. If we scroll up to the top of the message, you can see 3 requests. The first request is an item for purchase. If you click here, you can select your quantity, you can select your payment, enter in your credit card information, and you can pay for this item. Secondly, you see a wish list. If you click here, you can see items that have been requested. If you click on the arrow next to an item, you can enter in a quantity, you can add a short note, and when you click Save, it will automatically sign you up for that item. You can see a star next to the items that you've signed up for. The third request is for volunteers. If you click on Volunteer, you can click the arrow next to the task that you want to volunteer for. You can add a short note, and when you click Save, you will be signed up for that volunteer request. Again, you'll see a star there. If you do sign up for a wish list item or to volunteer, you will automatically be reminded the day before. Next to the subject of a post, you will see a heart. If you click on that heart, you can show your appreciation. At the top, next to posts, you will see notices. Here you can view any attendance notices that have been sent from the school. I want to walk you through the tabs on the bottom of the app. Let's click on Messages next to the Home button. Here you can view any messages from staff or teachers. If you click on the plus sign, you can send a direct message to a staff member or teacher. Click on Message. In the To section, you will see a plus sign. Here you can view a list of your child's teachers and select anyone. You can also type out the first 3 letters of the person's name and select that person. Down below, you will type your message here. And when you are ready, you will click Send. Messages allows you to type in your home language for instant translation. Next to the Message tab, you will see Events. You can click on any day that has a circle around it. At the top, you can click on the list icon to see all dates and events as well. If you would like to sync the school calendar with your personal calendar, you can click the ladder icon in the top left. Under Account, you can click Preferences, and here you can select Automatically Add Events to Calendar. Next to the Events tab is the Media tab. Here you can view all photos, all videos that have been shared, and all files that have been shared by the school. This is an excellent electronic resource for you as parents. Next to the Media tab is the More tab. You can see your school directory. You can see any important links the school has shared. You can view all signups and RSVPs. You can see all tasks that have been requested, and you can see your tasks that you have signed up for. You can view any forms or permission slips that have been shared for electronic signatures. You can see all payment requests and any polls that have been sent out. In the top left corner, you will see the ladder icon. Under the Schools tab, you can view all school sites under your account. ParentSquare makes it easy to keep track of all school communication and information for multiple children and school sites. Under the Account tab, you will see My Account and Preferences. If you click My Account, you can see your account information and you can see any payments or completed forms. You can also change your password or sign out. Under Preferences, again, you can sync your calendar. Let's click on Notification Settings. Here you can decide how you would like to be notified. Would you like to receive an email, text, or app notification, or a combination of those? You can also decide when you would like to be notified. Would you like an instant message? Or if you have an email, you can get a digest email that comes at 6 o'clock with all the messages for the day. Go ahead and make your notification selections. ParentSquare also allows you to change your language setting. You can choose your preferred language here. Under the About tab, you can see our terms and agreements and view the full ParentSquare site. Here in our help and support area, you can view our help topics and help pages. You can chat with a live agent right from the app. You can submit a help ticket, and you can view any tickets that you do have. So download our ParentSquare app today. We want to make sure you stay connected, so activate your account and log in right on the ParentSquare app. Make sure your school has your correct email and mobile phone number. And go ahead and set your notification preferences in ParentSquare. Thank you for doing your part to support your school community.